Review of the Okinawa Flat Belly. Courtney from Pennsylvania. The best part is feeling so confident. I was so surprised by how good I felt after a few days. I don't feel hungry for carbs anymore, like I used to every single afternoon. I feel full of positive energy when I wake up in the mornings. Drinking this tonic once a day has some amazing benefits for me. I feel happy with my body for the first time in years. Just being able to wear my favorite jeans again after so many years feels wonderful. It's helped with my marriage enormously, and my husband is delighted to get the happy me back again. But the best part is feeling so confident, getting compliments from others, and being able to go to the beach or swim at the pool without feeling self-conscious about how I look. John from New Jersey. The change in my quality of life has been phenomenal. It got to the point where I knew I had to do something about it fast, My weight was getting out of control and I couldn't even walk up the stairs without getting out of breath. I was pretty worried about my heart and blood sugar levels, and my doctor gave me enough warnings. When I started taking this new tonic formula in the mornings, I noticed the changes were happening after only 3 days. My junk food cravings just disappeared like that. I felt like I had lots of new energy, and the weight started dropping off real fast. The change in my quality of life has been phenomenal. I feel like I did when I was younger. I definitely recommend it if you want to make a change in your life for the better. Rena from Texas. I'm very grateful that I stumbled upon your video. My life has been transformed since I lost 38 pounds. It feels great to look in the mirror these days, LOL. I was skeptical about it working at first, but thank God I tried. The part that worked best was when you show the easy formula at the end of your video. Thank you so much. 100% money-back guarantee. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee for 90 days from your original purchase. If you're not totally and completely satisfied with this product, your results or your experience in the first 90 days from your purchase, simply let us know contacting us through this website, and you will receive a full refund of what you ordered within 48 hours of the product being returned. Simply return the product, even empty bottles, anytime within 90 days of your purchase, and you'll receive a full, no questions asked refund, less shipping and handling. Find more details in description.